everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are upcycling tin cans and making a beautiful high-end tin wreath. And we're colorizing it with Artistic Vivations metallic concepts. These were invented by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is the inventor of unicorn spit, and they look amazing on everything. You can stain wood with them, turn them into alcohol inks, turn them into paints, and you can paint metal with them like we're doing today. Are you ready? Let's make a high-end tin wreath. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.